friends, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome. The video you're about to see holds a lot of emotion for me. It's only a 3-minute 57-second video, but a lot happens here. What started as a beautiful trip paddleboarding on the Winter Park chain of lakes with my friend Leah ended in a bit of a mess when my paddleboard sprang a leak, and so did hers. These paddle boards were used. We found them on the side of the road, and I'm a big believer in giving things a second life and keeping things out of landfills. But what we didn't realize was there were small little holes in these paddle boards, and for a short trip it probably would have been fine. But we were out on the water for hours, and eventually water got in the boards and they would not float any longer. There are patch kits that are available online, which we have since purchased, but I think it's honestly going to be a long time before I feel comfortable trying out on the water again. This was a beautiful morning though. I can't argue with that. Seeing all of the nature, seeing the beautiful trees, all the birds. It was a beautiful, beautiful time, which is what makes me feel so conflicted. The footage here, it is beautiful, and just because we had a leak and got wet doesn't negate that. I'm so grateful that we were safe and that it wasn't a bigger problem. My favorite thing about being on the Winter Park chain of lakes are all the little canals and all the cute little boat docks. It's adorable. You almost feel like you're in Venice, even though you're in the middle of Florida.
Vlog number 72. We fell in the water. I thought I was going to die. God bless Leah, and God bless this gorgeous stranger. Actually, I haven't seen his face yet. I don't know if he's gorgeous, but yeah. He's gonna save us, I think.
What have we learned? We've learned that next time we're hiking, it works. Yay! We are women that will keep our feet on dry land.
Survivor vlog number 72. Water. Thought I was going to die. God bless you.
I know from the clips I just showed you, it looks like we were, pretty cool, calm, and collected, but I was freaking out. I did lose my work camera, which breaks my heart. It wasn't a dry bag, but sometimes dry bags aren't that great. This amazing man right here is named Mike, and he saw us out on the water and rescued us and reminded me that there are still kind, amazing humans out there. And at the end of the day, that's what matters. Thank you, Mike.